Good morning, all of you. Ayush, are you worried? Ayush and Anushri, that why Shangita ma'am is present on the screen? Ayush Mondol and Anushri. Do you think that why on screen that Shangita ma'am is present? Why not Moshumi ma'am, right? Today I will take your mathematics class, okay beta? Today I will take your mathematics class. So you all please take out your math notebook. Good afternoon all of you. And you all please your own microphone and video also please off, otherwise others cannot see. Okay. How are you? 3 Oak. How are you? And it's noisy. And Ayush, please beta, you just no need to front camera on, okay? Okay beta. Okay beta, let's start now. Very good afternoon all of you. You all please. Okay, very good Riti. You all please take out your math notebook. Today we will practice in our notebook, okay? Today we will practice in our notebook. Can you see the board clearly? Can you see the board clearly? My voice clear beta? Can you hear me? Okay, fine. Okay, then start now. Practice. Okay, we will practice in our notebook. You all please take out your copy and take out your notebook and follow me. First, number 1. $875 into what equal to 0. Which number you have to multiply with 875 to make it 0? To make it 0. That's Daksha. Very good beta. Please reply me on chat beta. Everyone please reply me. Aditi joined. Okay, fine. You all please. Dhriti 0, very good. Diksha, very good beta. You have to multiply 0 with 875 to make it 0. To make it 0. So in the blank portion you have to write 0. If you multiply 875 with 0, then answer will be 0. If you multiply 0 with any number, the answer always will be 0. Okay? The answer will be 0. So you all please write down 0 in this blank portion. 800, if you multiply 0 with 2, answer will be 0. If you multiply 0 with 372, answer will be 0. Okay? Completed. Next one. Number B 2. Next number 2. Next number 2. Write down. $294 into dash equal to 1. Which number you have to multiply with 294? Sorry, to make it 294. To make it 294. Yes. Diksha, it will be 294 multiply what? Equal to 294. Which number you have to multiply with 294 to make it 294? Yes, Diksha, correct. Answer will be 1. Anushka, very good beta. Divyanka, very good. 1. You have to, Dhriti, very good. You have to multiply 1 with 294 to make it 294. If you multiply 1 with any number, the number will be the number answer will be that, but that number means 294 into 1 equal to 294. 297 into 1, the answer will be 297. 300 into 1 equal to 300. Okay. Now next number 3. Next number 3. 7 into 3 into 4 equal to 3 into dash into 4. What will be the answer in this blank portion? 7 into 3 into 4 equal to 3 into dash into 4. Yes, very good, Daksha, very good Diksha, Dhriti, Arindam, Anushka, very good beta. You have to, Oishi, just join. Okay, fine. Now here you have to multiply 7, because 7 into 3 into 4. If you multiply 7 3 ja, 7 3 ja, reply me quickly, 7 3 ja, if you multiply these 3 number, what will be the answer? Yes, 21 into 4, 21 into 4, 21, 3 sevens are 21 into 4 equal to 84, and if you multiply this side, 3 into 7, 21 into 4 equal to 84. So here you have to multiply 7. Okay, very good all of you. Next, very good Arinda, Monushka, Dhriti, very good beta, Diksha. Okay, next math, number 4. Next, number 4. If now next dash into 7 equal to 91. What into 7 equal to 91? Dash into 7 equal to 91. Which number you have to multiply with 9 with 7 to make it 91? Which number you have to multiply with 7 to make it 91? Very good Dhriti, very good Arindam, Daksha, Diksha, very good beta. 13 7s are 91, 13 7s are 91, very good beta. Okay, next number 5. Reply me quickly. Dash into 5 equal to 85. Quick. Answer me quickly, beta. Dash into 5 equal to 85. What will be the answer? Which number we have to? 91? No. 91 dash into 5 equal to 85. Diksha, Dhriti, very good beta. 17. Diksha, yes. Anushka, very good. 17. 17 into 5 equal to 85. 17 into 5 equal to 85. Can I rub the board? 17 multiply 5 into 5, 17. If you multiply 17 into 5 equal to 85. Okay. Now next. Now next math. Number 6. Next number 6. If into 5 into 7 equal to 105. If 3 into 5 into 7 equal to 105, then what is the 5 into 7 into 3? Then what is 5 into 7 into 3? Reply me. You have to write the answer over here. If 3 into 5 into 7 equal to 105, 105. Yes, very good Dhriti, very good Anushka, very good Diksha and Daksha, Arindam. What is your answer? Where is your answer, beta Arindam? Now here if you add 5 and 3 into 5 into 7, 105, here the number is also 5, 7 and 3, but in another pattern. So this answer will also 105. Okay, very good Divyanka, very good Arindam, very good beta. Next number 7. Next number 7. Cost of 1 pen. Cost of 1 pen is rupees 5. Cost of 1 pen is rupees 5. What will be the cost? What will be the cost of 7 pens? Cost of 1 pen is rupees 5. Cost of 1 pen is rupees 5. And 104, Divyanka, whose answer is 104 beta? 105. 3 into 5 into 7, if 105, then 5 into 7 into 3 also 105, not 104. Very good Dhriti, very good Diksha, Arindam, Daksha, very good beta. If the 1 pen cost is rupees 5, then what will be the cost of 7 pens? You have to multiply rupees 5 into 7. Write down the answer. Rupees 5 into 7 equal to rupees 35. In this manner you have all have written 35. It's not the answer. Rupees 35. You have to give the rupees symbol or 35 rupees. In this manner you have to write, okay? Rupees 35. Rupees 35. Not only 35. Divyanka, Diksha, Daksha, Anushka, you all please write down rupees 35. You all please your own microphone. You all please mute your own microphone, beta. Here rupees 5 into 7 equal to rupees 35. Can I rub the board for the next math? Can I rub the board, beta? Have you completed? Okay, Arindam, very good. No, not completed. Divyanka, quick, beta. Daksha completed. You have to put the rupees symbol. If you write 35, the answer is wrong. Not only 35. What 35? Cat, dog, 35. Divyanka, when you will complete, you will write completed. Okay. Quick. I am waiting for you. Okay. Next math. Next number 8. I hope number 6 everyone have completed. Number 8. Complete the patterns. Complete the pattern. Number A, 8, the heading is complete the patterns, okay. Complete the patterns. Number A. Divyanka, I hope completed. Your name I can see, but what you have written I cannot see. Now, follow this pattern 5, 10, 15, 5, 10, 15. What will be the next 4 blank? What will be the next 4 blank? Please write down the answer. 5, complete the pattern. 5, then 10, then 15. That means plus 5. Skip 5 or plus 5. Okay. Okay, very good, very good. Now continue. Yes, Dhriti, very good. Then 10 plus 5, 15. Then 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5. Yes, Daksha. Yes, Anushka, very good. Diksha, very good, beta. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 30 plus 5, 35. Now, number B. Next number B. Follow this pattern. 30, then 60, then 90. What will be the next 4 blank? Please follow the pattern. First number 30, then 60, then 90, then 30 plus, then 60. That means the number is increasing. Then if you add 30 plus 10, 40. If you add 30 plus 20, 50. If you add 30 plus 30, it will be 60. Then add plus 30. Add plus 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 30, 90. 90 plus 30, 90 plus 30, 120. 120 plus 30, 100. Anushka, your answer wrong, beta. If you add 90 plus 20, then 110. Here you have to add 30, not 20. 30 plus 30, 60. 30 plus 20, 50. Okay. So you have to add 30. 120 plus 30, 150. 150 plus 30, 180. 180 plus 30, 180 plus 30, 210. 210. Very good. Arindam. Okay, so this pattern plus 30, 30 plus 60, 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 30 90, 90 plus 30 120, 120 plus 30 150, 150 plus 30 180, 180 plus 30 210. Okay, now next number 9, multiply. Next, multiply. Multiply number A. First number A, 807 into 2. 807 into 2. 807 into 2. Please reply me quickly. 807 into 2. 7 2s are 7 2s are 14. 14 and carry 1. 2 0. 0 0 plus 1 1. That means, and 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Please reply me quickly. One 6 1 4. Yes, correct, beta. Who has given the answer? Anushka. Very good. Yes. Next math, number B. Next multiply. 134 into 5. Quick. Solve it quickly. Quick. Let's see who can give the answer first. 134 into 5. 5 4s are 20. 0 and carry 2. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 7 carry 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. 670. Yes, very good, Arindam. Very good, Dhriti. Very good, Anushka. Very good, Daksha. Hey, Daksha, not 607. 670. 670. Now number C. Next number C. 234 into 7. 234 into 7. 7 4s are, let's see, 7 4s are 28. 8 carry 2. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 3 and carry 2. Okay, and 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 14 plus 2, 16. Yes, Daksha. 1638. Yes, Arindam, Divyanka, Diksha, Dhriti. Dhriti, your answer is wrong. Not 1634, betas. 38. 7 4s are 7 4s are 28. So it should be 8. Okay. For today, this much. You all will practice all the maths in this manner. And who are present, please write down P. You all write down your name and P. That means you are present. Okay, so that we can take your attendance. Okay. Bye bye, beta. Bye all of you for today this much. See you next class. Thank you and have a nice day. And you all will practice all this maths. Bye, beta. Bye bye. Bye and have a nice day.